Okay, so just made my first 7805 linear voltage regulator circuit. I have a 12 volt 300 milliamp wall wart. I'm not exactly sure if that means it'll put out enough amperage for 1.5 amps, but I know stepping it down from 12 volt to 1 amp will make a difference, or 12 volt to 5 volt should make a difference, because as voltage goes down, amperage goes up. So if I have more amperage on top, I should have more amperage on bottom, I believe. So this is a 7805. The black capacitor is a 10 UF. It is on my input side, and the blue one is a 1 UF on my output side. Pin 1 is my input, 12 volts. The middle pin is my ground, and my right input, or my right, which is your third terminal, is my output, 5 volt. So I've got 12.7 on the meter on the input, and I have 5 volts on the output. Now this needs to be on a heat sink if it's going to be over 1 amp. What I intend on installing it for, that's why I built it, is here's my power supply circuit, or my power supply, benchtop power supply that I'm designing. There's my on-off switch. I have a power on LED, that means it's plugged in. The green LED is that it's on and working. I'm still waiting for a 10 watt 10 ohm resistor, and this is my power supply. This is the top, so the power supply is going to sit like this. I got 3 fused ports, ground, the blacks are ground, so I have 2 grounds on here. I'll have 3.3 volt, 3.3 volt, 5 volt, and 12 volt. Blue, of course, is my 5 volt, and red's my 12 volt. I didn't have the exact corresponding colors for my 3 volt, 12 volt, and 5 volt. And I have 2 DC jacks. I think I'm going to make this one 5 volt, and this one's 12 volt. These jacks will all be switched off of these switches. They do light up blue. I figured that'd be a cool feature, so these 2 will be powering up these 2 also. These, of course, have the ground in the center, so I can plug things in, projects that I make or whatnot. And then this down here, my USB jack, which I haven't finished, I just have it mounted. That's what that 7805 is for. So that 7805 is going to be mounted inside here like this. So that hole is going to be mounted like that, and that should give me enough heat sink to charge cell phone. It's just 1 amp. I'm still learning current limiting, so this project's going to take a little while. I just wanted to make one of these and see if it worked, and it does. Have a good one.